G'day, here's a nice piece of Boulder Opal from the Winton area in central Queensland, Australia. Rules in millimetres, and the material's been wetted to help show the opal on the parent material. Parent material is very hard, so you should get a good polish. This probably cut off here. Make the stone a bit bigger. Bit of a jump there in the and then over here there's another nice bright piece. Whether that brown will cut off, I don't know. It's quite nice. More colour through the back here, but I wouldn't chase it. It might be too make it too thin. But at the end of the day, you'll have to make the decision. But I'd say cut that off there. Oops, sorry, cut that through there somewhere. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed that. Cheers.